Okay, mate. Let's look at dominance here. Yeah, you're 100% right. I mean, I wish I had seen this at 84%. Um, it was already down 10% or so when I seen it, so it's too much risk. Where is it actually? Yeah, as you can see here, yeah, definitely some gambling going on here. Up 84% on the day. This will likely fail up here and roll over again. Um, Dominance here. So zoomed in on dominance here. I've not touched this chart. Well, you can see we're getting a bit of a stop on here and a push up. Let me zoom out. Well, we're looking for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what it looks like here, kind of, we'll call it similar to this. You know, when you get that big breakdown, normally it likes to put on a base. So it can be very choppy for a period of time. Like this is pretty normal of what they expect down here. I'm just trying to find out an example. Well, you can see all of these drops: big drop, base, 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 big drop, base. Okay, so big drop, and we're likely to get some base. Now, in that base, it'll be pretty choppy, and there should be that move higher. So if we do get that wave 4 higher, it's not a bad thing, I don't think. You know, I know it's in the foreseeable future, it's a bit of a pain. Um, but I do think that a bounce anywhere up here, like the perfect bounce, you know, for me is right here. If we get that, see this pivot right here. If we get up there, this right here would be where you load the boat in altcoins. If we got right into this area, maybe I'll move it down a bit. If we actually got there, honestly, I think that's when you load the boat in altcoins for a bit of an alt season. I think it's very, very possible. How long will that take? I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. It could be, next week. If we pushed higher next week, had a bullish engulfing next week, and pushed up on here, maybe that could be it. Obviously, the altcoins are crushed at the moment. They're down quite a lot. Oh well, I mean they've bounced. But I really do like this area. If we get a break in this pivot up here, I think it's a really good area. Um, any examples of this sort of stuff in the past? Well, you can perfect. Look at this. Just exactly what I'm talking about. If you look at this, look at what happened. We bounced right up into this, and that's if you loaded the boat on altcoins right here. Well, you made a fortune. And what about here? Look at this. Bloody hell, there was 2 of them. Look at this, perfect. And if you loaded above the altcoin, above this loaded altcoins, you would have made a fortune. Okay, so a big pivot here. What happened? Well, load up above that, and we got that drop. So if we get up to this level, up in here, I really think it's a load the boat on altcoins. As far as the near term, we're still red here on the 3-day and rejecting, so we're still kind of dropping. This is not likely to turn green today. There's only 23 hours left, so it's unlikely to turn green. Need to see how a new 3-day candle goes. There's probably going to be a little bit more drop before we get that bounce. But you're 100% spot on. This, when you see coins doing this on the day, you were saying it's going to be a bad day tomorrow, and you're spot on. We opened up and we dropped.